Why is it so frustrating to learn histology? Why can't it be happier instead? It's not working.
This video will talk about the histology diagrams. Now this is something.
What's that? A book?
Hi. Hi, I am Happy Histology from the future. I am here to make you happy learning histology.
How can you make me happy? You're just a book.
Grammy, I'm more than a book. I have simple and correct diagrams with required labels. I provide you identification points, extra points with smart comparisons, and importantly, applied histology for all slides. I also provide the importance of each questions in exams. This book is powered by White Matter app. You can use this QR code to open White Matter app. This White Matter provides you zoomable online slides, drawing tutorials, thought-provoking questions, and more.
Okay, everything looks amazing. How can my friends get this book?
I'm available on Amazon. Links are provided in the description. Bye!